Hello, myself Chinmay Marathe, and under the guidance of Dr. Vandana Gawande ma'am, I will be presenting before you the uses of phenanthrene. So let us first take a look at medicinal uses of phenanthrene. Phenanthrene derivatives find application across the pharmaceutical industry as anti-cancer, anti-malarial, antimicrobial, anti-chagastic, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, anti-tubercular agents, etc. Many phenanthrene derivatives have been synthesized. Only few of them have been noted down here. Phenazines such as dibenzo-acphenazine, produced via condensation of ortho-diaminocyclohexane with 9,10 phenanthroquinone, has presented anti-leukemic activities. Phenazines is a class of compound. The structure of phenazine is given here. It is a heterocyclic aromatic ring, and one of the phenazine, which is dibenzo-A,C-phenazine, which is a derivative of phenanthrene, has presented antileukemic activities. Similarly, many amino alcohols derived from phenanthrene have proven effective against malaria. Tanchinone 2, a natural product that can be synthesized using phenanthrene, has proven as a strong antioxidant in lipid peroxidation. Diphenic acid is another important derivative of phenanthrene, and many of the diphenic acid derivatives have attracted great attention due to its possession of useful therapeutic properties. Many diphenic acid derivatives have potential of lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, cardiovascular diseases, and many other pathologies. This is the structure of diphenic acid. Phenanthrenes are placed as important compounds in pharmaceutical industry and find wide application. Phenanthrenes is an important class of opioids. Most narcotics are phenanthrene derivatives. So because phenanthrene is an important class of opioids, opioids are habit forming drugs. They affect your mood or your behavioral patterns, and opioids are related to drug abuse. So most of the governments across the world have banned such kind of drugs. That is the reason why phenanthrene derivatives, although they have many therapeutic properties, they are not widely applied because of their narcotic property. Drugs such as morphine, codeine, hydromorphone, pentoxazoline, butorphanol, oxycodone, nalbuphine, levonorphan, naltrexone are some important phenanthrene derived therapeutics. So as one can guess, most of these drugs are narcotic drugs. Here is the structure of morphine, oxycodone, and butorphanol. Now let us take a look at the general applications of phenanthrene. Phenanthrene has bluish fluorescence and is used to make dyes, plastics and pesticides, explosives and drugs. Phenanthrene forms the basis for production of 9,10 phenanthroquinone and diphenic acid. It can be used to synthesize anthracene via isomerization product of sim-octahydrophenanthrene. Phenanthroquinone, which is a derivative of phenanthrene, is used in the synthesis of dyes, explosives and drugs. This is the structure of phenanthroquinone. It can be used as feedstock, which is a major source of carbon black. It is also used in manufacture of various pesticides. It is also used as an intermediate in manufacturing of preservatives and agrochemical compounds. Diphenic acid, another derivative of phenanthrene, is applied in many herbs and components of food. Phenanthrene is also used in adhesives and sealants. Phenanthrene is widely used for the synthesis of bile acid, cholesterol and steroids. This is cholesterol, this is bile acid, and this is the steroid nucleus. These compounds are very important even in our human body, and they can be synthesized using phenanthrene. These are some of the references that have been helpful in making this presentation. Thank you so much.